Pelourinho. Today we're doing tourist stuff.
I remember the times when we used to sit in the park, holding hands together. I never should have gone away and left you like I did. I thought you'd take me back, but I was just a little bit late.
Desce, né, leva a atravessam.
Vem direto pra cá. Ah, perfeito, pertinho. And right now we're in Pelourinho, and right over there is where Michael Jackson recorded that music video and stuff. So if you're a fan of Michael Jackson, I mean,
You let me go my way. It's me who has to pay. The loser they call me.
and now we're going to a church that's apparently like made of a lot of gold, maybe? Everything is gold plated and stuff. Everything is very old here. This is my take on all of this. So we have like this sun clock from the 1700s. All of this thing here is original, I think. And yeah, it's very nice, very quiet. So I don't know if I should be talking or just whispering. Weird energy. And I have been to places like this before, and even bigger, like the catacombs in Vienna. And I don't know, the energy is different here. The feeling is different. I really don't know why, but churches and places like this are always so creepy. Is there something wrong with me? Am I the only one that thinks it's kind of creepy? Blonde Jesus. And right now we're at the church that it's right next to the previous one. So yeah, this is much bigger, much more, you know, glamorous and stuff. Very nice. Okay, so quick correction. This is actually the gold church, not the one before. As you can see, there's quite a bit more gold here. Something interesting. In all of these pictures, death has its face like this. Somebody scrape off the face of that. Currently we have Instagram pages with motivational quotes. Back then they have this kind of stuff. Back then you had to go to the church to have your daily motivational quotes. And a quick break for lunch. We're gonna have the steak because it's the cheapest one.
My lonely days and my lonely nights, girl, on the outside looking in, dreaming of holding you tight.
There are so many cats here, I don't know what's going on.
My day, you let me go my way. It's me who has to pay. The loser they call me. I was born a loser.
And it costs 15 cents to go down the elevator and to go up too. So yeah, 15 cents. Way too expensive. Really is the experience of a lifetime, you know, going down the elevator. I mean, but the coconut water here is really cheap. £1 only. So this is not a food market like I thought it was. It's actually a whole place just for souvenirs. Go figure.